So today I'm going to be showing you what these dogs can do, and they can dance too. So I'm going to show you this. So you can probably hear the music in the background. Yeah! Kibble! Here, bud. Okay, they both danced. So there's right now a song in the background, and they were dancing to it. That's how you make your dogs dance. See you later.